What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you guys for tuning back in. Hey, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so for all your automotive content. But anyway, today we are going to be taking the top off a Jeep Wrangler. This is a 2015 specifically. We're going to do this red one here, a Jeep I have here at my dealership. So let me show it to you guys real quick. Like I said, it's a 2015 Jeep Wrangler, and we're gonna be completely taking the top off, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that. So the one thing that prompted me to do this video, or gave me the video idea, is that I had a lot of people come in. This is the second or third Jeep we've had on the lot, and I had a lot of people ask me, how do you take off the top? So I thought that's a good video idea, so let's do it. Alright, so I moved the Jeep to the side of the building, so I'll be out of the way, out of the main highway. A lot of noise going on there, but let's get right into it. Let's take this top off. Alright, so inside the Jeep here, first thing you want to do is undo these latches here, and you could do it by hand and just unscrew them. And let me back up so you can see where exactly it's at. That's the top of the Jeep there, right up there. I know it's a little dark, but you can zoom. So there it is right there. Zoom out so you guys can see. It's just the very top of the Jeep, right above the driver and passenger headrest. So again, all you want to do is unscrew these. Alright, so I went ahead and unscrewed both of these. Like I said, they were up top. So the next thing you want to do is, up here you got these latches, and you just want to undo them. This one you'll turn. Sorry if it's getting dark, guys, but there you go. Undo this one as well, and again, I'm backing out so you guys can see here, but those are the latches. I started undoing these first three, and in total you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's a sixth one there. And these here you just turn like so. Turn them like that. Alright, so I have them all unlatched, all 6 of them. So now all we're gonna do is pull from the top here. And you always wanna do the driver's side first, because the driver's side overlays here. So if you try to take off the passenger side first, all it's gonna do is just try to lift this side up first. So always take off the driver's side first. Alright, so let's take off the driver's side top, roof, plastic piece, whatever it's called. And they're really light, so one person can easily take off the 2 front ones. Alright, so I have both top, the first front 2 pieces off, and it took no time at all. If you're by yourself, you can easily take these off. I say 2-3 minutes tops. Super easy to do. You can put them in the trunk of the car if you like, if you want to take them with you just in case you get caught in rain, but super easy to take off. Now to the big back piece, which this is gonna get interesting. So this big back piece is gonna get pretty interesting for me, because I gotta take that off by myself. So we're gonna see if I have the strength to do it. But as far as taking it off, unbolting what needs to be unbolted and unclipping what needs to be unclipped, it's super easy. I'm gonna show you guys right now. All right, so let's get back here. We're gonna open it. Just push that open here. So to take off this back piece, like I said, is super easy. All you have to do is take off these screws that are hex screws. Up front here, you will also have to remove the one here. And there's one of these on the driver's side. So there's one on the passenger side and the driver's side. Then as well as those screws, you just gotta unclip the windshield wiper and the water drainage, which I will do that right now. All right guys, so to take these off is super easy. This clip here, all you wanna do is flip it over like that to the other side. And you literally just push in and push right out, and it comes right off. And then this side, which is the water hose, you push down here and it'll come right off. And bam, that's all you gotta do there. All right, so for the screws portion of this, I'm gonna remove the front two first, which like I said, it's that one there. And then there's another on the passenger side on the same location. So we're gonna take these two off first. And to remove them, you're gonna need a T40 hex tool here. I just got this one at the my local Advanced. Some Jeeps come with it, some don't. This one we bought it didn't include it, so I had to go purchase one, but it's all good. I think I only paid for a set of like 5 or 6 of them. I paid like $6-7 bucks, so not a bad deal. These are actually really easy to take off, so first one off in literally a matter of seconds. Let's go to the second one. All right, we got these two front ones off. And one cool feature with all Jeeps, so you don't lose ambulance. All right, so one cool feature about these Jeeps, so you won't lose your screws, is if you come back here and you open this up, you see these little holes here. You see this little section here where you can actually store them. So we're gonna take the two that I just took off, and you see it says roof conveniently for you, and we're just gonna throw them right there so we won't lose them. So now let's take off these remaining 3. Alright guys, so what I did was I just loosened them up. It's really hard to unscrew them and record with my other hand, or unscrew with one hand, record with the other. So I just loosened them up, and what I'm gonna do is take this piece out, and I can just do the rest by hand, because once they're loose, they're really soft, they're easy to take out. So I just did the passenger side 3, now I'm gonna do the driver's side 3. And once we get these done and off, I gotta get strong and take this puppy off by myself. Definitely had too much confidence in myself on this one. I could not carry this by myself. I saw a guy do it on YouTube, and I thought if he could do it, I could do it. But the more of the story here is, don't believe everything you see on YouTube. But no worry, peeps. I got somebody that's gonna come help me, because I'm definitely not picking that up by myself. To be continued. All right, you guys, so as you can see by my shirt, it's a different day. I wasn't able to get anybody to help me yesterday with the top, but I have someone today. So we're gonna take it off. Alright, so as you guys can see, we have it off. Give you a walk around. definitely changes the look a lot. Feels more airy inside. But as you can see, that wasn't that hard. There's not a lot of stuff you gotta take apart. Just a few bolts, and that's really it. So the big top part, it is kind of heavy. So it's not that it's heavy. I'm gonna give myself some credit here. It's just awkward to hold. So one person is very difficult to do. 2 people, super easy. I definitely still need to work out. I learned a big lesson yesterday, but anyway. So as you saw, again, super easy to take off. It'll probably take you 10 minutes, if that, to remove the whole top off. Definitely have someone to help you take the big piece off, and you'll be good to go. You'll be ready for the beach trips. You'll be ready to enjoy your weekends. Nice sunny days. Perfect. So thank you guys for tuning back in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And don't forget, be great.